In this unit, we're talking about homeostasis, which is basically a term for a steady state. And this refers to the fact that some animals are able to maintain an internal balance. Some of them do it better than others. Examples of this internal balance are temperature, ion concentration, blood glucose, and blood oxygen. This elephant here, for instance, is a very large mammal. And so he has to maintain his temperature at a set point, which is probably different from the set point of a person. So homeostasis has several terms associated with it. The set point is the point at which an animal maintains a particular variable, and so the point of homeostasis is to keep your body system at or near that particular variable. So for instance, the human body temperature is supposed to be right around 98.6. So that's the set point for the human body temperature. A stimulus is a fluctuation in this variable. The sensor is a part of the body that detects the stimulus and sends a signal to the control center, which then generates some kind of output that triggers the body to make some kind of physiological response to the stimulus. Now, hormones are chemicals that are used as signals, and they're very important for homeostasis. So homeostasis relies mostly on negative feedback cycles, which tend to reduce a stimulus. So the negative part means that the stimulus results in events that then decrease the stimulus. So let's look at an example of that. So like I said, the human body temperature is supposed to be around 98.6. Exercising, like what this person has done, produces body heat that increases your temperature. And so this is the stimulus that we talked about. The nervous system, which is your sensor, sends a message to the control center that says that the body has gotten too hot. The brain then causes the body to sweat, which is a response. And so you can see the sweat beating up on this person's shoulder here. And the sweat, which is the response, causes the cooling of the body temperature, and then eventually sweat will stop. So you see how this is a negative feedback loop where the particular stimulus causes something that reduces the stimulus. And so that brings us to thermoregulation. Some animals are better at keeping their body temperatures at a set point than others. Endothermy is maintenance of an internal temperature through heat generated by metabolism. Mammals and birds can do this. Ectothermy is found in animals that cannot keep their body temperature close to a particular set point. So their body temperature is more regulated by the environment. So snakes, for instance, are ectotherms. Amphibians, most fish, and most invertebrates are also ectotherms. Check your supplemental readings for more information about the details of homeostasis and different types of thermoregulation.